In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix Siri not working or showing Siri is not available on your iPhone. Let's get started. First thing you wanna do is check your internet connection. Make sure it is stable, as Siri relies heavily on online access for most features. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or reset your connection if needed. Then open settings, go to general, go to software update. If any updates are available, just update your iOS to its latest version. Outdated software can often cause Siri glitches or missing features. Next, go to VPN and device management. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. Disable it temporarily because it can sometimes block Siri services. Next, head back to the main page of settings. Then, click on the option Apple Intelligence and Siri. From here, click on the option Language. Set Siri language to English US or English UK depending on your preference. Then make sure Siri is fully enabled. If prompted, you may need to go through a short setup or waitlist process before activation is complete, especially if Apple is rolling out new AI features on your device. Once everything is set, restart your iPhone and try activating Siri again. And that's it. With these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.